Attitude, where we tell you your future.
Aries man and Aries woman nature. Aries are described as being one of the most vulnerable sun signs when it comes to achieving their goals and dictating terms, and are ruled by the planet of Mars, also known as the god of war. They are ferociously aggressive in nature and will stop at nothing to clinch for anything less than they wish for. We can easily imagine the situation when an Aries man and an Aries woman will come together. Driven by the desire and ambition to accomplish and conquer whatever that may come their way, it becomes a difficult situation for both of them to accept one another. But this same passion also makes them strong enough to deal with issues pertaining to the relationship they share. It almost becomes a compulsion for one of them to turn their red hot heads down and tackle the state of affairs in a more diligent manner. Otherwise, the relationship compatibility between Aries male and Aries female will flourish if they deal with things with calm and composure. Basic compatibility. Aries, as a whole, thrive best in any relationship where their partner will not be clingy or overly dependent. In regards to those disliked qualities, a twin ram matchup is ideal in every way and compatibility comes easily. Both the Aries man and Aries woman love their independence and freedom. They can be exceedingly playful and be back and forth between a childlike nature and a dominating force to something many signs find very attractive, including fellow Aries born. The ram is reliable and honest, keeping to all promises he or she makes determinedly. This is another bonus, as an honest Aries expects the same from their partner and likely won't often be disappointed by someone who shares their sign. The high energy is often troubling in mismatched sign relationships, but it is a great positive here. Aries man and Aries woman will have no trouble keeping up with each other and feeding off the shared energy that makes them feel alive and in top form. The ram is a cardinal fire element, and this means that all Aries know who they are and have no need, desire or tolerance for attempts at changing their core being. Aries men and women are leaders in everything, taking the reins from all perceived less deserving individuals with no regrets. The issue comes when the powerful ram meets his match in the form of a powerful Aries woman who is not willing to give up her own power. The dominance struggle that follows can vary widely from exciting and arousing to petty and infuriating. This battle of egos can make or break any chances at a relationship, as traditionally Aries men and women submit to nothing. Luckily, this is one relationship where a single leader is not necessary for success, provided there is open and honest communication about all potentially contentious things. The end result is a happy, healthy and balanced give and take that allows each Aries born to take the lead when the need is there. Love and relationships. The powerful rams of the zodiac are extroverts, but not in the usual sense. Aries men and women don't have an urgent need or constant desire to be around people, and in fact enjoy alone time to focus on their pursuits and hobbies very much. They are extroverts in the sense that they often have many friends and are extremely affable. Unlike other signs, they don't put virtue or value restrictions on the people they count as friends. While this can sometimes lead to clashes with their loved ones, Aries born stick to their guns and give others the independence and respect that they themselves desire. The ram can be a little bit of a Leo at times, seeking to impress companions through competitions or other means and pad an already large ego. All friends of an Aries man or woman can expect loyalty and devotion when you need them the most. The closest friends of an Aries born still are unlikely to have access to the well hidden soft side, but that should not be discouraging. All in all, Aries men and women should expect to see from their partner all the things they would do in a given situation, and that can be hard. In intimate relationships, the spirit of the Aries woman or man truly comes out. They are one of the most passionate signs of the zodiac, and it truly shows in a committed long term relationship. Here you will find the sweet and vulnerable side of the ram that no others except perhaps parents ever get to experience. In the home, the adventurous spirit directly translates into an almost insatiable sexual energy that is both necessary and satisfying for twin Aries relationships. Arguments should be rare unless the issue of dominance has not been worked out fully. Their direct and honest natures leave little to be caught up and lost in translation or quiet brooding moments. When it comes to starting a family, the transition from wild and free to a wild but responsible parent can be very challenging for some Aries men and women. It is important that both partners work out time for each other to follow their passions or simply enjoy an hour or two in the peace of solitude. A bottled up Aries is a true recipe for destruction from within and is a warning worth heeding. For Aries men and women who have made it this far, all signs point to a wonderfully exciting and fulfilling relationship. Aries man and Aries woman, the love affair. The Aries man and Aries woman love compatibility may reach great heights as they care for each other and are always ready to fight for one another when pointed out in public. But the fact also remains that they may also be willing to fight with one another when the condition comes down to their egos. Both Aries man and Aries woman may seem to be selfish and rebellious, all because of the effect of Mars that they have on them. That makes them continue to dream big and set their individual goals. But they also tend to comprehend with their partners as they possess a similar persona. If this couple stops emulating each other, they can create a whole new world for themselves full of excitement, adventure, and enthusiasm. Pros in an Aries-Aries relationship. For Aries and Aries love compatibility to work, they will always need to work on compromise, otherwise the two goats can end up with locked horns if the differences are not cut in the nip. Aries and Aries relationship can be a powerful one as they will be able to build an empire together and take on the world when they are with each other. The relationship between Aries man and Aries woman can be sophisticated and status seeking. They love dressing up and turning heads as a dashing duo. To minimize fighting, one of them should take charge at a time. Cons in an Aries-Aries relationship. Their tempers can be as scorching as their sex life, so while they might set off an inferno in the sheets, their arguments can also be legendary. As much as fire is an amazing element of nature, it can never be controlled. It cooks our meals, keeps us warm and powers everything, but by nature fire does not want to be controlled and neither do fire signs. In an Aries and Aries relationship compatibility, there must be room for individuality, exploration, and autonomy within safe boundaries. Making and keeping a commitment has to be handled delicately so as to not to lose the spark or smother the flame. Important traits of an Aries woman in relation to an Aries man. An Aries woman is just as strong and just as tough as an Aries man. However, she is less likely to have been encouraged to develop and show her strength, particularly if she is older. This makes her a little more complicated than an Aries man. She was almost certainly a tomboy growing up, and if she wasn't, she wanted to be. Just as with an Aries man, it is very likely that she is good at sports and she has a fair amount of trophies of her own. When it comes to relationships, an Aries woman is a contradiction. She is just as bossy and controlling as an Aries man. On the other hand, she will have absolutely no respect for a man that she can completely dominate. Indeed, she would make such a man miserable assuming she got together with him at all. She will put any man through his paces, especially at first. She wants and needs someone who is her equal or even her superior in the things that matter to her. Aries man, Aries woman dating in early stages of the relationship. When they first meet, it very likely seems that an Aries male and Aries female will hate each other. She will think that he is obnoxious and rude. He will probably mock and ridicule her. The relationship between the two will continue in this way until one or both of them challenge each other to competition. The nature of this competition will probably be her trying to prove that she is just as good as he is at whatever the challenge is. This competition will be the start of their romance. It will not matter who wins, they will develop a mutual respect for each other as a result of it, and it will ignite their passion for one another. The rest will be history. Aries man, Aries woman marriage and family life. An Aries man, Aries woman marriage is a tricky one. What may work wonders in the bedroom will be hard to manage in the day-to-day running of a household that is required in a long-term marriage. The difficulty is that both of them want to be in control. In most marriages, each partner settles into what each is good at. With an Aries man and Aries woman, however, neither will ever acknowledge that the other is better than them at anything. Also, it is highly unlikely that either of them will have any real interest in housework or other household chores. If they are both good at the same spot, this will help ease the tension because they can work off their anger in training and competition. If they do not have a mutual interest, it would be good for them to develop one. Yes, they will both have their own separate interests, but they need to find ways to compete with each other in healthy ways. This will help maintain their mutual respect for each other. A word about children. If an Aries man and woman couple have children, they will both be strict and demanding parents. If their children are fire signs, that is Aries, Leo or Sagittarius, like them, everything will be just fine. Fire children will benefit from the strong discipline that Aries parents will provide. The thing is that they will have no real understanding of children of any of the other elements. Air children, that is Gemini, Libra or Aquarius, and Earth children, that is Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn, will find ways to cope and even thrive. Water children like Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces will have a really difficult time though. This will be aggravated by the fact that water children are usually at least a little empathetic and thus will be upset by the constant bickering between their parents. Aries parents need to consciously develop a sense of chivalry towards their children, particularly if they have sensitive ones. For example, a good rule for them to follow is to avoid fighting in front of their children. Aries man and Aries woman level of understanding. Both Aries man and woman exhibit a masculine essence to their identity. Both of them are rigid, fierce and robust to an extent that they may throw tantrums all around if not satisfied. Both may want to be superior to each other and none of them wanting to give up. But on the other hand, they may have a great mutual understanding if they lose this cutthroat competitive personality that they so much like to attach themselves with all the time. One of them has to let go of this unwavering attitude at some point or the other. Aries and Aries' intimate relationship is going to be wonderful, each one of them trying to excel each other in bed with passion and romance. This also might take a U-turn if they try to be over aggressive and dominant over each other, which may hurt their self-conceit. In the initial stages, the Aries male and Aries female will blend well, will appreciate the thrill-filled spirit in each other, and will agree on going for a quest in conjunction, making the Aries man and Aries woman love compatibility excel in all spheres. But in due time, things may change if one of them try to calm themselves down and show empathy towards each other, which is a very crucial part in Aries compatibility. The Aries man Aries woman compatibility will work wonders if they are more patient and composed. Aries man Aries woman typical arguments. All relationships have problems. People are not perfect, and these imperfections will come out in a long-term relationship. Yet, it is often the case that conflict between couples will be predictable based on their sun signs. For an Aries man Aries woman couple, the topic of their fights will be everything. In many ways, fighting is how this couple will show their love and affection for each other. Often their arguments will lead to passionate encounters in the bedroom. As mentioned before, one of the healthiest ways for them to manage their volatility will be through sports or games. This will allow both of them to release their natural competitiveness in a less destructive way. If you do have a temporary break, it might be worth regarding our guide on how to make an Aries man miss you here. The truth of the matter is, though, that the arguments will not bother each other. They may, however, upset those around them, especially their children if they have them. Aries male and Aries female benefits and challenges. The Aries man and Aries woman love relationship will have a lot of ups and downs, as is predicted. One of them would want to leave their usual behavior pertaining to their self-esteem, macho-like, hostile and quarrelsome attitude. But Aries man and Aries woman are quite authentic and true to each other and themselves. They are full of fire, positive energy. This makes them conquer a lot in their lives. They do not mind putting extra efforts for others or for themselves as far as accomplishing something is concerned. Mars, on the other hand, also plays an important role in bringing the couple closer and develop a peculiar affinity. They only tend to quarrel when their egos start to play the game, not being conscious enough to realize this themselves. The only important aspect that this couple has to take care of is not being too aggressive or competitive towards each other. That way, they can maintain a balance in the relationship without losing any kind of zest whatsoever. Aries also like people who acknowledge them, and they feel motivated when people do so, which also marks a positive influence on them, helping them in overcoming the negativity around. The Aries man compatibility with Aries woman is a roller coaster ride, where this love match will overcome the dark times to fight back, reinvent themselves, and the relationship to a whole new measure of freedom, exploration, and substantial existence.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.